Alright guys, we've got a 2005 Big Dog Chopper motorcycle for sale. This bike currently has 7,845 very well cared for miles. Now this bike is equipped with the white base paint job, and you've got green and silver metallic tribal flames on it. One of the more unique bikes. You don't see a lot of white frame bikes, so I'm definitely a fan. Now in 2005, Big Dog equipped the Chopper model with the 117 cubic inch 1916 cc SNS motor. They also equipped them with the 6-speed Baker transmission, and then you've also got a right side balance drive. The front rim is a 21-inch rim. The rear rim is a 18-inch rim, and you've got a gigantic 250 rear tire on there. Gives the bike an absolute phenomenal look. This bike's got a couple pads. You've got the rear passenger pegs, and then you've also got the rear struts that are set up for a sissy bar, so you could add a sissy bar really easy. The bike has a fresh service on it, full service that is, on the engine, the transmission, primary, so on and so forth. It's got a brand new tire up front, and the rear tire's in pretty decent shape, should give you a couple more seasons. I'll go ahead and get you some close-ups here. And I'd rate it right about a 9 out of a 10. It's in really good shape. The paint's in good shape. The chrome and the polished aluminum's been taken care of pretty well. Could use a little bit of a detail on the polished aluminum, but overall it's really is a nice bike. That rear fender, it does have a couple of scratches. You've got a chip in the clear coat right there. I don't know if you can see it, and then you've got a scratch right there and a little scuff right there as well. Got a little nick up there as well, but nothing too serious, nothing you want to expect on a 7-year-old bike. You've also got the Super Trap exhaust. It really gives the bike a phenomenal sound. It's got one little, almost looks like a boot scrape. I'm gonna try to get that cleaned up. That should come off. It's just a little bit hot right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you. there you have it. You can definitely tell that the bike runs great, drives absolutely phenomenal, and it's absolutely beautiful. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to either shoot me an email or give me a phone call. I'd love to address any of your questions or concerns. I do appreciate your time and the possibility of working with you. Thank you so much.